Hey guys, in this video I'm going to answer the question if you can buy the PEPE Meme Coin on the Trust Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up my Trust Wallet application as I normally would. Now from here, I'm going to log in. Now once I've logged in, I'm going to be taken to the Home tab. And then on the top of Home, there's a search bar. I'm going to click into it and then I'm going to type in PEPE. Here's PEPE here, so by the BNB Smart Chain. And now once we're taken to PEPE, it's only got three options of sending PEPE, receiving PEPE, or swapping PEPE. At this point in time on the Trust Wallet application, I'm making this video on the date today, the 16th of December 2024. There's no buy button, so they might bring this feature out at a later date so you can buy PEPE in Trust Wallet, but at this point in time you can only send, receive, or swap PEPE.